Hi everybody, so in this video I will teach you how to do the Vastu remedy for career. So all that you need for this particular remedy is a blue file. So blue file, blue folder, and it should not have any other color, okay? Not even as outline, not even as text, nothing. Plain blue file is something that you need. Then the next thing that you need is a resume. So of course, if you're trying to apply in a company or you're trying to apply for a position, you must be having a resume, right? So you need a resume. And then the next thing that you need for this particular remedy is the logo of the company that you're trying to target. So if the company has a logo, go ahead, take a printout. If the company does not have a logo, then you will of course skip this step, okay? So if you're trying to target more than one company or more than one position, then of course you can have more than one logo or more than one resume, okay? Whatever works for you. So a blue file, resume, and the logo of the company, these three things are very important, and you need them. But logo of the company is something that you can skip. Even the resume can be skipped if you are trying to do this remedy for your particular business. So of course then you might have your business logo, so your business logo is enough and you do not need a resume in that case. If you are self-employed, you have your own company, then you do not need to put a resume, okay? And in that case you will just have the logo of the company. But if your company does not have a logo, then what you will do is then you will just take a plain white paper and you will write your career related wish with the blue pen, okay? No other color. So you will take a plain white paper and you will write your career related wish with the blue pen, and you will put that paper inside the blue file, okay? Now this is for people who have their own company and they do not have a logo, so they can just do the paper, okay? And if you have a logo, then you can do the paper and the logo, okay? Then in that case you do not need a resume, right? And now if you're somebody who's trying to look for a job opportunity, then again I'm repeating, so you need a blue file, you need resume, and you need the logo of the company that you're trying to target. If there is no logo, you will ignore the step. The next thing that you will do is to note down the direction. So now this remedy has to be done in the north direction, okay? So you have to put this file and everything in the north direction of your house or your room, whatever works for you. And now coming down to the timing, because timing is very important, okay? So the timing is the Mercury Hora, okay? So let me just go to that room so that we have peace, and then I will continue explaining you. So just hold on. Yes, so sorry about that. So the timing is any day. So you can do it on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever works for you. But it has to be done in the Mercury Hora. Now you will ask, what is a Mercury Hora? So Mercury Hora basically means Mercury's timeline. Okay, so Hora basically means timeline. Okay. For example, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, whatever it is. So that is basically Hora. Okay, I will explain you how to know the Mercury Hora, so do not worry about that. So the next thing that you will do is you will go to Google and you will note down the sunrise timing of your place. Now I live in Jammu and Kashmir, so you will just go to Google and you will write sunrise today. So I am in Jammu and Kashmir, so it is showing me 7:21 a.m. at 7:21 a.m. and sunrise in Jammu, right? So I will just go back to my notes and I will write 7:21 a.m. as my sunrise timing, okay? The next thing that you have to do is to find the Hora from a website. So you will write Hora today in Google and you will go to this particular website that I'm showing you, the drikpanchang.com. I will also share the link in the WhatsApp group. So make sure you only follow this one, okay? So you will go to Drik Panchang. And then next thing that you have to do is for Feb 7, 2021, you can see the Hora timing is written here. So first Hora is Sun 7:76 to 8:1. You will not pay attention to the timings that's written adjacent to the planets. You will just note down the planetary order, okay? And you will also not pay attention to the day Hora and the night Hora that's given here, okay? all you have to do from this particular website is to note down the planet order as it is, okay? So you will not use your brain, you will just copy the planet order. So it is going to be in this order: Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun again, then Venus. You will see the planet order is basically repeating itself. So we start with Sun, that is from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. And then the next is Venus, and then next is Mercury, then next is Moon, then Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, and then again we start with Sun, right? So you will see that the pattern is repeating. What you will do is you will simply go to your notes and you will note the pattern as it is, okay? So you will not note down the timing, I'm repeating again, and you will not note down the day hora and night hora, okay? Those things are not important for your exercise. You will just note down the planet order. So we had Sun first, and then next was Venus, I guess. Hold on. So it's Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon, Saturn. Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon, Saturn. Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Jupiter and Mars. And then this is going to repeat. You will see that, right? Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. So you can see that, right? We saw here the pattern is repeating basically. Now once you note down the pattern, okay, you will just note down the complete pattern. And the next thing now comes to the importance of why we noted down the sunrise timing is here in this step. So now you have to just make 1 hour window for every planet, okay? So you will write 7:21 to 8:21. That's it. 8:21 to 9:21 a.m. Fine. 9:21 to 10:21 a.m. 10:21 to 11:21 a.m. 11:21 to 12:21 p.m. isn't it? So now you will just repeat. So you will just not repeat. You will just write down 1 hour timelines here. Okay. Now what you have to do is let me just write it quickly for you so that. So this is going to be like that, okay? You can then continue. You can just continue writing the same thing till the next day sunrise, okay? Now the next important thing is to find the Mercury timeline. So now I'm gonna show you the Mercury timeline which we just calculated. Why don't we take the timelines from the website? Because there we have a wrong timeline. You can see here every planet rules for 1 hour, and you can see here it is from 7:06 to 8:01, which is not a complete hour, okay? Then 8:01 to 8:56, this is all messed up timing, okay? So this is all incorrect, so you will not go as per this timing, but you will have to manually sit and calculate, okay? You will have to manually write it. Now what you have to do is you have to just highlight the Mercury timelines, because we have to do this remedy in the Mercury timeline. So you can see here this one, this is a Mercury timeline, this is again a Mercury timeline, and we will have I think 3 Mercury timelines in the complete day. So you can do it in any one of those, okay? Any one. Now some people, they get confused, they be like, how many times I have to do this remedy? You just have to do it once. And what we have to do it, we just have to place that file in the folder and everything, the file with the resume and the logo in one of these timelines, okay, in the north direction of the room or the house, and that's it. That's the remedy. This is the only thing that you have to do, okay? So now you can just kind of write it in a different place so that you do not get confused. So the Mercury timeline is going to be from 9:21 to 21 today. Now this is for today, okay? For every day this is going to change. So you have to do a manual calculation just like we are doing for today. So Mercury timeline from 9:21 to 10:21, today being 7, today is 7, right? 7 Feb 2021. Similarly, you will do for any day that you have to do it in the future, okay? So Mercury timeline is 9:21 to 10:21, then 4:21 to 5:21, and now this is going to be different for different people living in different places, because I live in Jammu and today's sunrise time here in Jammu is 7:21. For you it could be 6, for somebody else it could be 5. So whatever it is, you have to calculate manually, that's why, okay? So we will also get one more timeline like this if I try to write it for the complete. So from 9:21 to 10:21, and then 10 to 11, and so on. If I try to write, then I will get at least one more. So you get almost 2 to 3 timelines in one day. So you can choose any one that suits to you. For example, I cannot choose a time which is between 9 to 10 because I wake up at 12. So I will do it in maybe 4:21 to 5:21, or maybe one more that I will get, okay, as I calculate, whatever works. So now this is basically the Mercury timeline that we got. Now there is one catch here. You will not do this remedy in Rahu Kal. Now what does Rahu Kal means? Rahu Kal is basically a time ruled by Rahu. Like you can see this time here, it is ruled by Sun from 7:21 to 8:21 on 7 Feb 2021. It is ruled by Sun. The next hour is ruled by Venus. So similarly, there is Rahu that rules a particular time, okay? So Rahu also rules a particular timeline in a day. So how to find that? You will get it here only, but if you don't get it here, then you will go to Google again. So what you can do is, you will go to Google again and you will write Rahu Kal today, okay? And then you will come to this same website, Rahu Kal Today Jammu, and you will come here. So let's see, is this, yeah, 7 Feb. So the Rahu Kal timing is from 4:48 to 6:09 today. 4:48 p.m. to 6:09 p.m. 4:48 to 6:09 p.m. So now I cannot do this remedy after 4:48 till 6:09. So you have to, whenever there's Rahu Kal clashing, now you can see this timeline here is 4:21 to 5:21, and this is sort of clashing, only 10, 15, 20 minutes of difference. So what you will do is you will completely ignore this timeline. So now I have to wake up at 9:21 to 10:20 I have to do it. Means if I were to do it today, then I would have woken up at this time and I would have done it, or otherwise I need to calculate the next timing again. So from after Mars, I have to again go to Sun, Venus, and etc. And then I will be calculating, okay, so 9:21 to 10:21. So 10:21 to 11:21, 11:21 to 12:21, like that, okay? Sun, Venus, and Mercury. So yeah, then I could do in this one 11:21 to 12:21 p.m. Alright, so let me repeat it again for you guys. For the Vastu Career Remedy, you basically need a blue file, then you need a resume. You also need the logo of the company, but this is optional. If you do not have a logo, you don't need a logo. You can just go with blue file and the resume. If it's your own company, then you do not need resume. You just need the logo of the company. If you do not have resume, you do not have the company's logo as well, then you can just take a white paper and write your career related wish. For example, my company hits maybe $10,000 in Feb 2021, whatever, or I get so many customers, or I get so and so not so many, so and so customer, or my order gets passed, or I get this deal, or whatever it is, okay? You just take a piece of paper, white paper, and write your career related wish with the blue ink, and you will put that in the blue file, okay? Now this is for people who have their own business, but if you are somebody who wants to work in a company or something like that, then you will have to take the logo of the company and the resume. If the company does not have a logo, then you will just go with the resume, okay? The direction should be the north direction. So you will place these things in the north direction. Now that could be north of your house, or it could be north of your room. The timing can be any time, any day, but it has to be done in the Mercury timing, okay? And then how do we calculate the Mercury timing? For that, you will go to Google and you will note down the sunrise time for whichever day you're trying to do this remedy for. So if you're trying to do it for today, then you will note down for today, and then now it is almost end of today, so you can do it tomorrow maybe. So you can just go to Google and write sunrise time 8 Feb 2021, and then your location, Delhi or Canada or wherever you are, and then you will just go to Google and you will go to this particular website, okay? You will go to this particular website, Hora Today. You will write Hora Today. Hora Today. And then you will go to Drik Panchang, and here you can see a location change also, okay? So you can see here it's Jammu, India, but you can also change the location from somewhere. Let me see. Yeah, here it is. You can see the location change, so I can change the location for wherever I want to. Here, then you can put your location. Fine. And then you will get a Hora like this. Whatever order you get for the particular day. Now, for example, if you try to look for the Hora tomorrow, next day. What the hell is this? Yeah, okay. So this is next day. Why is this not changing? Oh yeah, it did. So tomorrow being Monday, this is the Hora, okay? So this is the Hora for Monday. It starts with moon. Now you can see today's started with sun, and tomorrow's will start with moon, okay? So starts with moon. What you have to do is you have to just copy the planet order as it is, okay? So you will just write moon, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury, then moon, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury. You basically will just write the planet order, okay? So you have to just first write this, then you have to write this below each other. Like you have to first write this, and then below this will be this, okay? Yeah. So you will write that. Then from the sunrise, you have to calculate 1 hour, okay? So 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, like that. And then you have to just mark the Mercury timelines. And you have to perform this remedy in any one of those Mercury timelines. But it should not coincide or clash with the Rahu Kal. And then you will just go and find the Rahu Kal. Rahu Kal today. So again, same website, Drik Panchang, and then you will see we have Rahu Kal running from 4:48 to 6:09, and this is the time where you will not do this remedy in this particular time, okay? So you choose any other time. You will have 2 to 3 timelines in a day, so choose any other timeline, okay? Alright, so that's that. For career, we do this. For relationship, now let's come to the relationship part. This is what you do for career, but for relationship, what you have to basically do is you have to place a yellow heart, okay? So you can take a piece of paper and color it all yellow. Color it all yellow, okay? No other color, not even black. So not this, like completely yellow. So you will take a piece of paper, color it completely yellow, and place this in, I'll tell you which direction. Yeah, so you will place this in southwest direction, okay? For relationship, you have to place this in southwest direction, southwest of your room, southwest of your house, whatever works for you. And then some people also ask me things like, I have an almirah, so can I place that in almirah? Of course you can place it in almirah. If you don't have an almirah, there is nothing, you can just paste it on the wall, or you can just keep a damn table there, or just keep a damn chair there. Like do some jugaad, okay? Do some way in which you can do this. I don't know how you will do it, but you need to place this, okay? And then some people be like, I don't have anything, can I just place it on the floor? I mean, yeah, if that works for you, go ahead, do that. There is no problem, okay? It just needs to be in the southwest direction, okay? So what you can do is you can take a yellow heart, okay? Now that you can make out of a yellow color paper, or you can take a white paper, make a heart and color it yellow, all yellow, okay? And then you just need to go and place it in the southwest direction, okay? You can do that, Or the second thing that you can do is basically take a white paper and write your relationship related wish with the yellow ink. Okay, with the yellow ink you have to write a relationship related wish of yours, and you have to place it in the southwest direction. Now when will you place this in the southwest direction? You will do this in the Venus hora, like we did it for the career in the Mercury hora. Now in the relationship you have to do it in the Venus hora. Also, some people kind of confuse, they be like, what do I write on the heart? You don't have to write anything on the heart. You will do one of the two things. Okay, either you will write a relationship related wish on a white paper with a yellow ink. Either you will do that, or you will place a yellow heart. Now the size of the heart does not matter, it can be as big as you want and as small as you want. So you have to place that heart in the southwest direction in the Venus hora. So you have to figure out the Venus hora just like we did for the Mercury hora. So I'll take some other color, maybe yellow itself, and then you will just go to Venus hora. Damn, hold on. Yeah, Venus. So you have to do this remedy in any one of the three Venus hora that you will calculate, provided it's not clashing with the Rahu Kal again. That's a clause. That's something that you need to know. Okay, so you will do it either between 8:21 to 9:21, or you will do it between 3:21 to 4:21, and then you can calculate one more. That's going to be 10:21 to 11:21, whatever works for you. Okay, so I've told you both the career and the relationship Vastu remedy. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the group, but that's about it. Thank you.